Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to set up Webull for futures trading. First, you need an existing individual Webull brokerage account. Ensure you are a United States resident, as this is a key eligibility requirement. Then, you can apply for new futures account directly through the Webull mobile app or their website. Simply navigate to the Account Management section and follow the prompts to complete your application. The approval process typically takes a short time. Once your futures account is approved, the next step is funding it. You have several convenient options. You can perform an internal transfer of cash from your existing Webull brokerage account. Alternatively, you can deposit funds via ACH or wire transfer into your brokerage account, then transfer them internally. For direct funding, wire funds straight to your futures account, remembering to include your account number in the memo. A minimum equity of $100 is needed to begin trading. Understanding margin and contract types is crucial for futures trading. The initial margin is the amount you must deposit to open a futures position, usually ranging from 3 to 12% of the contract's total value. Webull provides access to a diverse range of futures contracts, covering asset classes like stock indices, various commodities, and currencies. Remember that futures contracts have defined expiration dates, meaning they cannot be held indefinitely like stocks. Now, let's place your first futures trade. First, navigate to the dedicated futures section within the Webull platform. Browse and select the specific futures contract you wish to trade. Next, choose your preferred order type, such as a market order or a limit order. Carefully specify the quantity of contracts you want to buy or sell and set your desired price. Always take a moment to thoroughly review the entire order summary before confirming your trade to ensure accuracy.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.